dito.
Ano yung nakalagay dito? Ah, ah.
Hello viewers, it's Lay.
It's Neil.
Welcome to our vlog. So for today guys, this will be our second series of our Arkila 101. Let's have a recap of our Fujifilm X-T10 right here. So this is Fujifilm X-T10 as you can see. Yan, so pitch, kung makikita nyo,
Retro.
very retro yung itsura ng kakilala mo. Kasi meron naman, kahit mapakalaman nyo yan, meron siya.
This is how to use our Fujifilm X8. So, ayan guys, meron tayong 1, 2, 3 naman. This one, then you have to click it to press the shutter and then, yun, ganyan. So, hi guys! So, you just have to install it guys. Ayan, so wait na siya, mag-o-off yung screen. Pero, meron kita kayong blinking lights. Okay, now to proceed with live viewing. Kanina din sabi ko feature yun ng app.
That's it for Fujifilm X8. Yes, and for our next vlog, we are now going to discuss or share you guys kung paano naman gamitin ang Nikon D5000 DSLR. And we're back! So for today guys, just like what we have said sa previous vlog natin, ang atin namang i-introduce sa inyo o i-discuss o ibibigyan ng tips, informations on how to use it is walang iba kundi ang ating
Nagbubukod tanging DSLR.
yes, Nikon DSLR D5000. Ano masasabi mo lang sa ating Nikon DSLR D5000?
So, ganito. Pag may DSLR ka, tapos nakatali sa leg mo. Ganyan. Yan.
Na photographer.
Mukha kang photographer pag ganyan. Kahit tinira mo lang. Yung mga nagpapapicture na may DSLR, ay, kilala namin
Tapos
kayo.
yung mga profile pic ko, nakaganon pa yung mga
Oh, ayan.
Yung ganun.
Mukhang baliw.
Feeling photographer.
Kilala namin kayo, oy.
Yan, so let's now discuss the specs of the DSLR D5000.
So, una-una. So, yung bigat niya, 590 grams. Medyo mas mabigat siya.
Yes,
Kasi nakita niyo naman bulky.
Yes,
Pag pinukpok mo sa
and
tropa mo, bukol.
pang ano talaga siya, which we usually recommend this sa mga intermediate to professional photographers talaga. Hindi siya pang beginner. Kasi sobrang complicated talaga ng mga DSLRs as compared sa mga mirrorless na talagang pang beginner talaga siya.
Tapos, yung dimensions niya, 127 by 104 by 80 millimeters.
So, hindi siya recommended for travel. Lalo na
Mabigat.
pag mag-hiking kayo, or may mga pupuntahan kayo na kailangan lightweight, or packlight yon. So, pag sabi packlight, huwag nyo nang dalhin yung DSLR nyo. Just kung
Ilaw lang
packlight
dadalhin
ba
niya,
to?
ilaw.
Ang packlight lang, ito lang oh.
So, yun, meron siyang 12 MP, 12 megapixel na APS-C CMOS sensor. So, pareha sila ng sensor no Fujifilm. Mas mataas lang yung megapixel ng Fujifilm. Tapos, pagdating naman sa screen, mas maliit siya kasi 2.7 lang siya. Tapos, hindi siya tilting. Fully articulated lang. Nababaliktad lang.
Yes, tilting siya actually. Pwede mo siyang pang selfie, pero ang main purpose talaga nito is
Yung sa mga
for lower and higher shots para sa mga photographers. So, for example, for higher shots, ganyan. So, naka-ibebend mo siya ng ganyan para nakikita mo yung screen. Hindi mo na kailangan ng higher elevated na ano.
Higher elevated.
Yes. Higher na elevated pa. Tapos, for lower shots naman, so kung yan, bababa ka, ganyan, you can tilt this one, yan. So, yung screen mo,
Para kita
nandito
mo.
na sa baba. Diba? So, kita mo siya, kahit na,
Hindi mo na kailangan magdadapa.
yes.
Kasi may iba mo magdadapa. Kala mo namamaril.
Ganun, ganun. Ganun.
So, tapos yung video resolution niya, 1280 by 720 video resolution.
Yes, same lang din siya. So, yung size niya is very good for YouTube as well kasi since same sila ng 1280 by 720 pixels.
Meron siyang battery life na up to 510 shots.
Yes. Usually, ang mirrorless, umaabot siya ng
60.
60? Oh yeah. 250 to 360 shots bago malobat. But this one, umabot siya ng
510.
510 bago malobat.
Napakatagal naman kasi. Yung charging time kasi na ito, 5 to 6 hours. usually pag may customer kami, nire-recommend namin na i-charge yung battery niya overnight.
As compared sa mirrorless, usually 3 hours lang or 2 hours, fully charged na siya. What are the inclusions of the camera? So, what are included? Syempre yung body.
What are the inclusions? So,
What are included? Solid body, kit lens, we have the lens cover,
lens cover,
neck strap, battery, and then meron kaming provided 32GB na SD card. Yes, charger of course. So, dock charger siya. Hindi siya katulad ng Fujifilm na pwede mong isalpakan lang ng kahit na anong charger ng ano. We also have Nikon remote. So, nabili ko siya sa Shopee. Pero gumagana siya actually.
Salamat ka sa Shopee.
Salamat, Shopee! So, nabili ko to sa, sa Shopee for less than 500 ata. You can use this one for long distance or long exposures ng mga videos nyo kapag malayo. Yan. Groovy, ganon. Hindi nyo na kailangan, guys, groovy!
Hindi na kailangan i-timer.
Hindi na kailangan i-timer. You can use this one. Kailangan 1 meter distance kayo para ma-detect kayo. Kapag more than 1 meter, hindi siya gagana. And then for transferring files, we provide card
interchangeable
reader
din siya.
with OTG. So you can either plug it sa phone nyo using the OTG na Android, type B to, yung provided namin, and or USB to plug it sa inyong mga laptops and PCs. So now, let's go to how to use the camera.
So first, syempre tatanggalin natin ulit yung lens cover. Yan. Tapos, we have several buttons for the DSLR as you can see. Pero sa top right niya, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same siya with Fujifilm. Yan. So, to turn on, flicker it to the right. Ayan, pag inon mo siya, para mag-shutter yun. Okay. Pero kung naka-manual siya guys, so, and you wanted to use the flash, yan, manual.
Ayan, manual.
You can just press this one.
Yan, the upper one.
Yan. To open the flash. Tapos kung ayaw nyo yan, baba nyo na. To check out your gallery, you can use this one. Yan. Para makita nyo yung gallery. So, medyo nag-reflect lang yung light, kaya hindi nyo nakikita. Tapos, to delete this one, meron siyang button, ito.
Trash can.
Taas, the trash can. You can just also press that one to delete. Yan.
Delete.
Tapos,
Delete na yan. Double click lang para ma-delete.
Yes, that's right. Double click.
Oh,
Yan.
double
Tapos, meron tayong different modes on how to capture or how to see yung pinipicture mo. You can use it using the viewfinder.
Hanis.
Or you can use the screen.
Lens view. That's what you call lens
Lens
view.
view. Kaya LV siya.
Hindi siya Louis Vuitton.
Yan.
Lens view siya.
Eto. So, kung gusto nyo sa screen, you can just press this button.
Yes.
Pero kung ayaw nyo, press again. Tapos makikita nyo parang meron siyang settings.
Yun, yung
Okay
settings.
na yun. Pwede na kayo tumingin dito sa mismong viewfinder. This one, for the automatic and manual, you can see A tsaka M. Pag automatic, yan. You can use the zoom in and zoom out only. So, nakalock to, hindi siya nagagalaw. But, if naka-manual siya,
Autofocus.
yan. So,
Zoom in, zoom out.
zoom out, and then,
Autofocus. Sa focus, nagagalaw siya. Pag automatic kasi, siya na yung automatic na
autofocus na siya.
nag-focus.
Yes. Mas matagal lang yung pagpindot niyo sa shutter para mag-autofocus siya. Just we have mentioned a while ago, pag long distance yung picturean nyo, pag mga groovy, you can press this one. So, kailangan naka-lens view siya, and then, wait lang, parang ito yan. Lens view siya, tapos press this button. So, pag pinress na siya, hanapin niyo yung release mode. So, kailangan pag naka-release mode, and then, ipapress niyo yung, press niya OK para sa release mode, tapos set niyo siya sa 2 seconds. So, once naka-set siya sa 2 seconds, you can now use the Nikon remote para sa inyong picture. Yan, so, ganyan. Tapos, mag-autofocus siya. Kailangan naka-automatic, guys, ha? Kasi kapag naka-manual kayo, hindi nyo nakikita, syempre, kung kanino naka-focus yung ano nyo. So, you can use this one for automatic. So, auto, and then long press, tapos release to capture. So, that's it, guys, for the release mode. So, for, if you wanted to plug GPS or HDMI, you can use this one. So, dito yung GPS, and dito naman yung HDMI.
So, bali yung GPS, pag sinaksak mo siya ng GPS, magkakaroon ng location yung bawat picture nyo.
Yes.
Sa tag.
Tama. Or if you have yung parang ganon, remote din siya for photography, like parang mga photoshoots, ganon. Pinipress yun, tapos doon nyo siya sinasalpak para magka-capture siya. Hindi nyo na kailangan net. Siyempre.
Yan, mas malayo yung range nun.
Yes. To charge, guys, so dito sa baba, makikita nyo, meron dito. Same as Fujifilm, you just have to, yun naman, up, diba? Ito naman down. Para ma-open nyo siya. Tapos, ayan, lalabas na siya.
Yun, katulad ng sinabi namin kanina, 5 hours to 6 hours yung charging time niya.
So you can use this one to connect yung mic nyo or bigger flash.
Mga accessories dyan nilalagay.
So that's it for Nikon DSLR.
Now let's go to tips and tricks. Okay, first tip. Just like sa Fujifilm, we recommend you guys to explore the buttons at saka settings para alam nyo kung ano yung mas kakalikutin nyo kapag nandun na kayo sa mismong settings or scene nyo.
Saglitan na lang yung galawan.
Mas
Picture na
mabilis.
lang agad.
Yes, that's right. Tip number 2. In terms of focusing, mas maganda kung mas nakafocus siya sa eyes ng pinipicturean nyo. Or, I mean, for example, kung tao yun syempre sa eyes, tsaka sa animals. Kasi, mas clear yung eyes, mas maganda as compared sa mas nakafocus yung ibang parts ng mukha. Kapag portrait yun yung parang isa ko natutunan na kailangan dapat nakafocus talaga sa eyes.
Eyes on.
And then, tip number 3, you can use the white balance para i-adjust yung lighting ng inyong settings. So, as well as yung ISO tsaka yung aperture, mas maganda siya kung pagko-combine niyo yung tatlong yon to a perfect shot talaga. Mas maganda yung kakalabasan niya, mas clear, and then mas balance yung color tones.
Mas clear.
Tip number 4. Yung DSLR, guys, interchangeable lenses din siya. So, what we suggest, guys, is you invest into lenses kung talaga into photography kayo or kung gagamit lang naman kayo, you can use this one.
Default.
Pero, yung kit lens, pero maximize or utilize yung mga zoom in and zoom out for better quality. Okay? Kasi mas maganda ko niya portrait, tapos blurred yung blurred yung background. Yan. Tip number 5. Yan. So, just like what we have recommended or give namin ng tips sa Fujifilm, we suggest, syempre, lilinisin natin yung mga cameras natin. That's always part of our tip.
Ganun din yung paglilinis. Tatanggalin mo yung lens. Ganun. Pump nung hangin.
Yeah. And then brush, 3 times a day. Ayun guys, sa lobat na yung aming camera pang bablog.
Kaya pansin nyo, nagbago yung quality ng video.
Yes, lobat na kasi siya. So that's it guys for our Nikon DSLR D5000. Sana nagustuhan ninyo yung aming tips, ideas, and also yung aming parang manual on how to use the camera of Nikon DSLR D5000.
Siyempre, basic lang yung mga yun. Pero, nasa iyo pa rin yun. I-explore mo yung camera. Kasi, lalo pag DSLR, napakadami niyang settings.
Yes. You can also watch other videos, lalo na yung mga videos or mga vlogs ng mga photographers na mas maganda sila mag-explain, of course. And mas define talaga yung pag-explain nila or mas malaki pa silang alam about the DSLR. Yan. So, that's it guys for our vlog. On our next vlog, for next series, ng ating Arkila 101, we're going to review or we are now going to give you tips and ideas and of course how to use GoPro Hero 6. So that's it guys. If you like our video, don't forget to
like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell para lagi yung updated sa aming mga vlogs. And always remember, love is a choice, so don't skip meals. Bye!